Welcome to your ultimate focus session. For the next 20 minutes, your mind will enter a state of deep concentration, enhanced memory, and powerful brain activity. Alpha waves at 528 Hz will guide you into a zone where studying, working, and learning become effortless. Your brain naturally produces alpha waves when you are relaxed but alert. By listening to these frequencies, you amplify this natural rhythm, allowing your mind to focus on tasks with clarity and precision. Alpha waves help synchronize the left and right hemispheres of your brain, improving memory retention and information processing. Every note you hear is reinforcing your ability to learn faster and remember more. Notice how your mind becomes sharper, distractions fade away. Each breath you take guides you deeper into concentration. You are fully present, fully focused, and your brain is at peak performance. Alpha waves at 528 Hz resonate with your mind's natural frequency, unlocking your potential. Tasks that once felt difficult now feel effortless. Your memory absorbs information quickly, and your focus is unwavering. Every sound you hear strengthens your ability to recall information. Your mind is clear, productive, and ready to tackle any challenge. Stress melts away, replaced with energy and motivation. Alpha wave frequencies guide your thoughts. Your focus is continuous. Your brain is absorbing knowledge at an accelerated pace. Each idea connects naturally, and creativity flows effortlessly. Let these alpha waves integrate into your daily study and work habits. The more you train your brain with these frequencies, the more natural, intense focus becomes. Your mind is powerful, efficient, and ready to perform at its best.